Welcome to Learner Point. Welcome to our guide on mastering technical analysis of stocks. In this video, we'll delve into the world of deciphering stock price movements using technical analysis. So, let's get started. Before we dive into indicators and patterns, let's understand the foundation: price charts. These charts reveal valuable insights into stock behavior. Technical analysis involves key indicators like moving averages, RSI, and MACD. They offer a deeper understanding of trends and momentum. Chart patterns like support and resistance and head and shoulders help us identify potential reversals and trends. Fibonacci retracements and volume analysis. Fibonacci retracements pinpoint potential levels of support and resistance, while volume analysis confirms the strength of price movements. Candlestick patterns provide visual cues about market sentiment, from doji to engulfing patterns. Crafting a trading strategy involves combining indicators and patterns for a holistic approach to predicting price movements. Backtesting and risks. Backtesting allows us to refine our strategies using historical data. Remember, though, risks and limitations exist. Psychological aspects and market news. Trading isn't just numbers, it's emotions too. Controlling fear and greed is crucial. Staying updated with market news is equally important. Continuous learning and adaptation. The stock market evolves, so must you. Embrace a growth mindset, keep learning, and adapt to changes. Using technical and fundamental analysis. While technical analysis deciphers how, fundamental analysis answers why. Combining both provides a holistic view. Seeking professional guidance. When in doubt, seek guidance. Consulting a financial advisor can provide personalized insights aligned with your goals. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering technical analysis. Dive into our detailed blog for more insights. For a deep dive into each topic, visit our blog. Don't miss out on becoming a seasoned stock market analyst. Like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching.